In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click the arrow, then go on the search and type in Laos. Under Laos, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for credit card. So then it should show we found one Bitcoin exchange in Laos that accepts cash. Companies that accepts credit card in Laos is CoinMama. CoinMama allows customers in almost every country to buy Bitcoin with a credit or debit card. They charge a 6% fee on each purchase. Customers in Europe can also purchase Bitcoin with SEPA transfer for a lower fee. Want to buy using CoinMama? Click the link to see the step-by-step and will guide you how to use CoinMama. They may receive when you use CoinMama. Please visit CoinMama for its exact pricing terms. So now I'll be reading the pros and cons. Works in almost all countries. Highest limits for buying Bitcoin with a credit card. Reliable and trusted broker. So now I'll be reading the cons. Some of the highest fees among credit and debit card and Bitcoin brokers. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Wheeze Coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.